this rise, coming up on this grind, yeah, right.
Okay, keep it in mind, please. Oh, yeah.
What's good, everybody? I didn't really vlog much, but y'all seen me earlier. I was rubbing in my head because I need a haircut, and like I said in the last clip, I'm sure that's what y'all know. That's what y'all was already thinking already, because y'all already knew I needed a haircut. I'm about to give me a haircut today. That's the plan. But I also had to get my daughter today. So we're gonna vlog today because I'm getting Dakota today. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. And we might even go out and do something. Maybe if it's something that we can do, I don't know. The pandemic still been kind of taking over the world. I don't know, maybe I'll go shopping with her, buy her something. Right now though, all I'm doing is I'm dropping off this last delivery. I haven't really made that much money today. Wednesday always be kind of weird. Like some days you get a pretty decent payout throughout the day, depending on how early you got up and stuff like that. Because I probably should have got up way earlier. But like Wednesday just be kind of weird altogether. You know, you depending on what you're doing. Like I said, it's mainly about getting up early. So today was kind of really light for me. I think all I'm making is $100 today. I ain't really do that many deliveries. I only did like 3 deliveries. So I ain't really tripping. Because tomorrow I'm going to definitely make sure I get out by at least 8:30. That way I can get some decent payout for the end of the week, close to the end of the week. You know, just trying to make that goal. Gotta have goals in life, baby. Gotta have goals. At the bank. Gotta get that money for the bills and whatnot. You know, take care of business. Take care of business. And there's so many orders on Instacart I want to take, but I can't even do it because I got my daughter and we just decided to go to the mall. I might do one after we leave the mall or something, but I gotta get my hair cut, so I can't do too much. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. I thought I was tripping. I forgot I spent some money earlier. Yeah, I bought my necklace, so I will see the nigga shining in a minute. I'm shining, a little something like nothing major, you know, just so I can look good in the music videos. Nice little gold piece. Say hello to the viewers. You want to say hi to the viewers?
No.
Why not? Cause you want more stuff?
Yeah.
Well, too bad. We came here for pajama clothes. We came here to come and get you some night clothes. And maybe some shoes. We didn't come here for a whole bunch of stuff that you thought you was about to get. You'll be alright. You like your stuff? Huh? You like this? Or is this not cool enough? Want to show the viewers all your cool stuff you just got? You might have to take your scarf off so they can see it, so they can see you looking all sparkly with your new colorful rainbow necklace and your unicorn headband and your bracelets. Look at you, girl. You look like you is fancy. Come on this side. You is fancy, girl. You is fancy. You wanna take that off? Mm-hmm. Alright, I'm gonna take it off. It's what?
This sucker's too risky.
Okay, well we got to play at the park for maybe like 15 minutes.
If you eat a sucker, it's a very hard to eat that.
We're gonna play at the park for a nice amount of time and then we're about to go. You ready? Alright, come on. Leave your tablet. You want your snack? It's not just gummy worms, Dakota. There's a whole bunch of different stuff in there.
I know.
Oh wait, give it here. Give it here. Give me the juice.
Can I bring you the seasoning that you bought me at my mommy's house?
Well, why you not gonna leave it over our house so you can eat it at our house? Maybe I'll buy you one a different time and you can take it home, okay?
Okay. I have a shoe.
You better keep them shoes on, girl. You're gonna keep letting them fall off and you're gonna lose them. What we about to do? We're gonna get on the slide. We're gonna get on the swing. What? You're losing your shoes. You're losing your shoes. He whipping that thing. Little young dog whipping that thing. Well, go. Well, it's not gonna be that bad. It's not nothing major. Hey, bro, can I whip it one time? Can I whip it one time? Can I whip it one time? Can I take it for a quick little spin, just in the park, in the grass? Just one quick time, and then you can record me. Can you record me and I just take one quick spin back from here to there? Oh, we gotta cool down. I just want to see how that boy feel, because I'm about to give me one of them boys.
Yeah.
How much that boy hit for?
Don't grab it, but they don't be like that.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta grab me one of them. Where y'all get it from?
My dad got this for my birthday.
Okay. That's good. That boy nice. Yeah. Where you get it from? Where y'all get it from? What? Where was it? Was it around here or was it somewhere else? Hey, they pulling up on you. They about to pull up on you, boy.
Here's a summary from Wikipedia. A minibike is a two-wheeled, off-highway recreational vehicle popularized in the 1960s and 1970s.
You don't remember where y'all got it from, though, bro? No. I gotta grab me one of those.
Thing is, with mine, my brakes.
Let me see. Let me see. Coleman. I'm about to look it up right now. I'm about to look that boy up. Cause I need to get me one of them boys. Just something to ride around in, bro. Them boys just so smooth. You feel me? Like, I know you be having a good time on that boy. Let me see. I'm about to put the name in real quick. Coleman. Coleman mini bike. I bet you can't hit no Willie in that boy though.
Okay.
Not no real Willie. That boy hit, bro. He probably hit. I don't know. He might have got a deal, bro. You might have got a deal on that boy, cause these boys hit for like 500.
I had a few wheelies on here.
This boy hit for 500 though, bro. Y'all had got a deal or something?
No, this was for my birthday. My dad, I think my dad had got a deal because he had bought it.
Okay.
About $500 to $600.
Alright. You want to check my YouTube stuff out though, bro? I'm going to give you one of these wristbands. What? Hold up. I'm going to push you. Yeah, them boys hit for like 500. I just looked it up.
I pop a wheelie just how...
What's your favorite color?
It's red.
Yeah. What other color do you like other than red?
I like red and green. Green is my last name.
Yeah, I'm going to just give you this black one. Man. That's probably cool for you. It'll go with almost everything you wear. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely grab me one of them things. 500s?
This how high the wheelie go.
I probably could grab one like next week. Shoot, I'm gonna get me one of them boys though, bro.
My dad got one, but when we got it, he had went to a different place. It was sold out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm a singer though, bro. I'm a singer, YouTuber, all that good stuff.
Look with me, you can find the
You're gonna go too high and you're gonna be scared.
You wanna sit down? You scared?
Yeah. How fast you think that thing go?
I don't know.
Maybe like 40?
Probably I don't see some.
I don't think it go 50 though.
I don't know. The
Maybe like 35, 40. 35, 40 miles. Yeah, it's probably, that boy probably only hit like 35, 40 miles per hour, bro. It probably only hit like 35, 40 miles per hour. Tops. Cause it ain't going 50. I can tell it ain't going 50. It ain't going no 50.
Nah, okay. That's good. It's good motorcycle.
That boy nice though.
Yeah.
Definitely nice.
Number
I'm gonna grab me one.
Yeah, for you.
Just something to just ride around when I'm chilling. You feel
Oh
me?
yeah, I'm there.
When I ain't doing too much and I ain't got too much going on, I just want to just cruise and just enjoy the weather, you know?
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Like that. Slow. Good. It's good now. Huh?
thing is, this show is heavy.
Say what?
Fine.
Show is heavy.
Wanna put down?
Wait, stop.
Come down?
Wait, stop.
No more? You want more?
You can see everything.
This recording?
Oh shit. You gotta watch out for that shit. That bitch hot. Got these damn shorts on. Gotta watch out for that damn motor.
Kickstand is on.
That motherfucker hot. Okay, so how do I start it up?
Kickstand up. You can put your foot down.
Put it right there. And start it right here, or is it already? Or do I gotta pull the string once you get it on?
Yeah, you can put it straight now.
So is everything good up here?
Yeah, when you start it, you gotta turn that thing on right there.
Okay. This right here?
Yeah.
I'm about to take it. I'm about to go back that way and go around. My phone is good. This boy a little faster than I thought it was, though, bro. Pushing on that gas, boy. I ain't know. This boy might hit like 50 for real. Like, say you said you weren't even pushing on the gas. I ain't know. Look, I got a little feel of that boy. That boy definitely stronger than I thought it was. I almost fell off when I first went over there. That's why I had to hurry up and get back and get my phone, because I'm like, shit, I might fall.
When I ride, when I come down.
All right.
I don't want to steal my juice then. So can you just
You gonna drink the rest? You want another one? All right, you gonna finish this?
No.
All right, come on.
I'm gonna go to that. First, I gotta take off the skirt.
Yeah, get your backpack. Get your backpack, get your tablet.
Like a movie. Doesn't that look like a mafia? I look like.
All right, take that off. Come on.
I thought I would look like a mafia. I want to be a mafia.
All right, get your shoes.
Where's my shoe?
Come on.
Where's my shoe?
What? Where's your other shoe? What did you do with your other shoe? Here, come on. You gonna say bye to the viewers? Alright, put your backpack on.
On this one. Pave the way. They don't see what I see. Rose up to the challenge. The battle, the field. Teaching them game. It'll be A. That hate